Welcome to Shop Talk. We're looking at a vintage German muscle saw, Stihl 075 AVE electronic. This one I'm selling for parts. It does need some work, does run, but it'll be sold for parts. Look at some of the features it has. Kill switch is on top here. The switch is reversed. Somebody has reversed it. Choke is on the right. Top load on your gas and the oil reservoir. Strap handlebars. There's a little piece missing off of here where this inside dog goes. Tensioner, less than 2 bar nuts up. Right here's your tensioner. Just looking for a saw to rebuild of one of the very vintage German-made chainsaws. Here's a running vintage saw.